Morning, guys. Let's get into it. So this is the outfit that I'm working on. It'll be identical to the leopard print. So these is the two pieces for the front of the shirt. That is the back. Those are the two sleeves, which is circle skirts. And these is the two pieces for the skirt, the back and the front. And remember, it's going to have eyelets. And I'm also waiting on some red dye because y'all see this hat and y'all see the colors and all this prettiness in the hat. That's why I did the brown zipper. But I'm going to get the red dye and splash this outfit. And I need that royal blue. So, and this is supposed to be like denim, but this is very lightweight denim. I was a little disappointed because this wasn't the denim that I wanted. And a lot of time when you ordering offline, I honestly think they took a picture of some real denim and gave me this. This is like, they consider it denim, but this will be something you would make a shirt with. You could make a skirt too, but I'm a little disappointed. So this will be made over at a later date. But I was kind of disappointed that I didn't get the denim that I wanted. So I just put it together to kind of show y'all all the pieces that y'all would need to make this dress. So if you guys are lost on what I'm talking about, go back to my videos and you'll see me in a leopard print dress with the eyelets going down the side. That is what this is going to be. All right, stay tuned for some magic, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this is the top that I was telling y'all about that I'm duplicating. But this fabric is way too thin, so I decided I'm just going to stop it. And I'm going to order the denim fabric because with the grommets and stuff, this fabric is so fragile, it can actually literally rip. But I just wanted to show y'all when y'all making a top piece. So how I got it to do this. But this is a thicker fabric, like a denim. So I didn't even have to put interfacing because the fabric itself is thick. So basically, once I put the circle skirt on the sleeve, I just was cuffing it under. And I pinned it. And I did it going all the way around evenly. And then I sewed it to make it stay. So that's how you wind up getting this effect. You just go around, 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 and you will evenly roll it over. So I just evenly kept going around, rolling it over, pinning, and I sewed it together. And it's on that mannequin kind of crooked, guys. But that's how I wind up getting this to do that. So as you can see, that's how I wind up getting this effect. But this fabric is so flimsy that I'm not happy with it. So I'm not going. Gino, watch out, because I don't want to roll over your tail and you want to bite. So I'm not going to finish that because I don't like how it looks. But I got this on there crooked. But yeah, when you're doing it, that's going to be how you're going to get. But use a thick denim fabric because you can see this fabric is so doggone thin. It's like paper. I'm really not happy with it. But I just wanted to show y'all how I got the sleeves to do that. So you see I took a circle skirt. Can't even hold it up. But I took a circle and I just cut it. A nice size circle, not really, really big. Match up the armholes. And I just literally just took the circle and folded over, as you can see. But this ain't doing it. And I didn't have interfacing and all that. And I was like, you know what? I don't like how it's coming out. And I want it to last. So this fabric is way too thin. But I just wanted to show y'all the process of what y'all need to do to create the sleeves like this, how I roll them over. And this is a thicker denim, like we know it was leopard print, but this is a thick quality denim where you can be able to do that and not have to do interfacing and all that. So with the eyelets that I put in there, even I put interfacing down the sides, this fabric's still not gonna be able to take it. So I just decided it'd be a waste of my time because the minute I put it on and get the pulling, it's gonna break. So I just wanted to show y'all that's how I created that. So you guys can buy the real denim and create these. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. And when I get that new denim in, this button up crooked too. When I get the new denim in, I'll go from there. Thanks guys. Bye bye.